I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to download a high-resolution PDF from Canva for printing. Step 1. Open the Canva design you want to download for printing. Step 2. Click the Share button in the top right corner of the screen, and then click Download from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Click the drop-down menu under File Type and select PDF Print. This is the specified format designed for high-quality printing. Step 4. If you are planning to have this professionally printed, check the box for crop marks and bleed to ensure no important details are cut off during the trimming process. Step 5. Under Color Profile, select CMYK if you have a Canva Pro account, as this is the standard for professional printing presses. If you are using the free version, RGB is your only option, but it will still work for most home printers. Step 6. Click the purple Download button to save the high-resolution file to your computer. If you find that your image still looks a bit blurry after downloading, you should double-check the resolution of the original images you uploaded to Canva. A PDF can only be as high quality as the elements inside of it, so try to use images that are at least 300 dpi for the best results. If you are using Canva elements, they are vector-based and will automatically scale to the highest resolution possible, which is one of the big advantages of using their built-in library for print projects. Another helpful tip is to use the Flatten PDF option found in the download settings if your design has a lot of overlapping layers or complex transparency. Flattening the PDF merges everything into a single layer, which helps prevent printing errors where certain elements might shift or disappear when the file is processed by a printer. This is a great safety step to take if you are sending your file to a local print shop and want to ensure that what you see on your screen is exactly what comes out on the paper. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.